Hey guys, I got a new haircut and I'm also next to a waterfall, which is why it might be hard to hear me. I'm in California. I have no idea which waterfall this is. I couldn't be bothered to check, but it's absolutely stunning. I'll put some like pictures and stuff at the end of the video, this little short video, and some like slow-mo footage of the falls and things. But this goes for miles. It just goes for like miles and miles, up and down. So it's really cool. I'm having a lot of fun jumping around on it because before the trail was pretty boring getting here, but now that I'm here, there's lots of rocks to jump on, so I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, I guess let's roll some of those really cool pictures and you all have a good day. Lots of cool stuff.